research overall about the on facts.
जी
Somebody has beautifully quoted the state of affairs between 21st century man and 21st century society. That this has the times of fancier houses but broken homes. That this has the times of high-rise buildings but low-rise character. That this have the times of double incomes but more divorces. But these are the times when man has all gone to the moon and returned back, but he finds it quite difficult to visit a neighbor. That these are the times when man has produced a tremendous amount of energy by breaking the nucleus of an atom. We find it quite difficult to break the prejudice. These are the times when man there is an excess of internet, but there is lack of intrinsic peace. There is much to show in the show window. So by quoting all these very facts,
अच्छा
from this we must understand that the latest definition of education which has been changed. Sometimes it was the modification of behavior, but nowadays if we turn our eye towards the education sector, you will find that education is actually to change one individual into complete Homo sapien. If you turn your look, you will turn the pages of history, you will find whether it is Philid. The main work is on the values, inculcation of values among the young brains. And that thing, the modernization has thrown us what? Behind, leaning much towards materialism, it is going to throw you nowhere. So from that very point, the main thing is that we should be complete Homo sapien. That is what the one of the best seller author, that is Yuval Noah Harari, has written in his book Sapiens, in his first page, that by being that we have called ourselves Homo sapiens. Sapien means the wise. If we collect the inventions, the discoveries, the conquests, if we compile them all, it will fill volumes of books. But it is quite debatable how long we have lived upon this very name. So we have thrown humans into the survivorship existence. For that, the question still remains: if we are the wise, why we are so self-destructive, whether in terms of drug abuse, whether in terms of substance abuse, whether in terms of discrimination. If we are calling ourselves to be the Homo sapiens, then the question arises, why we are so self-destructive. We are knowing the distant information right from the DNA to the top galaxies, and still we lack the basic answer, who we are, what is the purpose of our creation. I think that we have to ponder over these very things, and ultimately the question, the answer about these very things will come out before us.
टाइम इज
Thank you.
टाइम इज बहुत हो